Hey, what up? Your girl Dimepiece back with another hair tutorial just in time for Valentine's Day. So you need something to style prep your hair. And one of my favorites is from Miss Jessie's Honey Curls, perfect to prep your ponytail. Make sure you get a durable hair tie to hold your ponytail. And to extra set my hair, I use RRS Olive Oil's Fix It and No Grease hairstyler. So while we prepare our ponytail, let's go ahead and tie our hair up with a scarf. So before we put on the ponytail, you want to make sure that you conceal your own hair by wrapping it in a bun. I wanted to use 3 colors. My natural hair color, black, red, and pink, because those are the colors of Valentine's Day. I want the ponytail to be of a blend versus 3 different braid strands of colors. So I blended the 3 colors together, then grab a rubber band to tie the hair together, and also to asphyxiate the ponytail onto your hair. Take the outer exposed rubber band and wrap it around your bun about 2 times. So you want to break the hair into 3 parts. Go ahead and braid. I wanted my ponytail to be nice and full and just fun. So I braided mine semi-loose, but feel free to braid your ponytail however you want to braid it. So I'm going to use my ponytail base to braid the ponytail, but you can asphyxiate this on your chair, on something just nice and sturdy that'll hold the hair that you can go ahead and do the braid. We're going to use Rapunsel Braiding hair from Rastafri Braid, 84 inches, and the colors that I'm going to use are red, pink, and black. All right, now that we're done, let's go ahead and flip the ponytail back. You got your Valentine's Day ponytail. Now, to make sure that the ponytail stays in place, make sure you flip that ponytail over your bun, grab a few bobby pins, and clip it. I like my ponytail on the side, so we're going to clip it in that direction. And that's it. You're all done. Super easy, right? Really, 1 pack of hair is all you need, but I use multiple colors. Rastafri's Rapunsel Braid comes in a variety of colors and a length of 84 inches. So have fun. Be sure to request the Rastafri Braid Rapunsel Braiding hair at your local beauty supply store. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and like that notification bell so you get the alert on my next video.